help me understand what is going on here. I have the power from the battery going into the buck converter. In is 11.8, out is 2.6. I have the milliamps coming from the battery as 300 milliamps, about. They're going into a mini ZVS, going into the TPU. It's coming out of the TPU and lighting that bulb. I blew up a bulb earlier because I had the voltage a little bit higher, 2.6 volts. 300 milliamps, maybe a bit more. And my output is 52 milliamps. And it's 35 volts, but we'll say 30 volts AC coming out of there. I can't look at that bulb, it's too bright. Help me understand this. If you have any questions, let me know.